Hello everyone, this is my submission for the Appwrite Hackathon. I have built this project called SiteBlaze. So SiteBlaze is a web application which enables users with zero knowledge of any of the tools to create their own website. It has three major offerings, templates, CMS and the CTA data collection. SiteBlaze offers a lot of templates which user can customize as per their own needs and give their website the feel of the brand. CMS allows the users to post two things, projects and blogs, so they can post projects and blogs which will be visible to the world on their website. The last is the CTA data collection, so all the contact data and everything, whatever forms they have, the call to action forms, all those data would be collected and would be visible to the user on a dedicated section in the dashboard. So this is the landing page of the project, SiteBlaze. This explains a little bit about how you can actually go ahead and edit your or customize your templates. It offers two templates at the moment right now, but we plan to offer a lot more templates in the coming future. The CMS section has two things, the project and the blog, so you can actually go ahead and post your projects from this particular section and it will be visible to the world. And the last thing is CTA data collection. So whatever data is collected on the active website from the CTA form is curated at the backend and then it's visible to the user over here. We have some terms and conditions for the site, which you can see over here. The site is completely responsive as well. I will show you that. So the site is completely responsive. There's no issue with that. We also support dark mode and light mode for the entire website. I'll quickly jump into the demo of this particular project right now. So I'll try to sign up first. We will be making the demo user, which everyone can actually go ahead and test. So let's start with demo. So demo is actually visible. So I will enter name as demo. As you can see, we have logged in to this particular dashboard. The dashboard also supports dark mode and light mode. So we'll be working our way on the light mode. So let me explain all the sections which we have over here. Change password is pretty much straightforward. You can change your password from here. You have the account details, username, name, email. You can change any of these. This is the CTA data. Right now we don't have any active sites, no data, so there is no data. CTA queries. No blogs as such, no project as such. Template store has all the templates over here, which we can actually go ahead and explore. My active site, there is no active site visible to the world, so that's why this section is also empty, and my template is also empty because I have not taken any templates from the template store to customize. Say for example, I want to customize this particular Michelin star restaurant website, so I will go ahead and it will be added to my templates. You can see, you can actually go ahead now edit it, right? So this particular site will be loaded up. You can see this is the site which is actually loaded up, and this is the template which we have. You can actually go ahead and feel the preview of this particular template. How will the template look in various devices? This is the tablet and this is the mobile device. So you can actually go ahead and check if this is good enough or not, if this is good for your so now you can see that there are no projects available right now. This is the project section. Basically you can't see any projects because you don't have any projects at the moment. Similarly, this is the blog section. There are no blogs, therefore you cannot see any blogs. So I'll just quickly head back to the template store and give you a preview of these particular templates. So you can actually go ahead and preview these templates. say I have two templates. One is the too far event management and the other one is the Michelin Star restaurant website. So this is the too far event management site. So this is a fairly simple website template. This is the project section where we actually go ahead and show the projects. These are dummy projects. Since you're actually trying to see the templates, so I have added this demo project for you to see. But if you don't have any projects, this section will not be there. You will not see any projects over here. Same is the case for blogs. Over here you have few blogs. So this is one of the templates. You may check, you can check whether this is actually responsive or not. This is 100% responsive website. You can see and explore, and this is 100% responsive. This is the second one, Restaurantly, the other project which we have. This also has kind of the same layout. Again, we are supporting this particular style of template. This also has dark mode. You can actually enable and disable it from here. This is the project section. As I was saying, this is our let me go to my templates and then let us try to edit our active website. So as you can see, under the project section we don't have any project shown because we don't have any projects. Similarly for the web blog, right? This is the contact us or the CTA form. All the data, whatever you enter from here would actually be submitted and it will be shown over here. So let's just quickly go ahead and try to edit this particular website. So right now you're seeing this, okay? So let's go and edit this particular thing. So you can see this is Restaurantly, and here I have a lot of bunch of options over here: navigation, hero section, project section, blog, CTA, footer, etc, etc. So basically each section expands onto some inputs which we can actually go ahead, map, and understand how does this work. So this is the navigation bar. I know that the name of the website is basically the name of the brand is Restaurantly. So I would try to change this to something else. So I know this is in the navigation section. I'll change it to demos. Okay, I'll have changed this and let us see. Okay, this changes whatever you do over there are updated in real time, so you can see what is there. How is your site going to look? So once you're satisfied with the changes, say for example I think done with it, so I'll just change a few things like award-winning restaurant. I'll change a few more things. Award-winning restaurant from demo. India. Let's do this. Let's connect. So this is the about section. So let's go ahead and you can see the about section has changed. The text of the button has changed. Let's connect. Demos, award-winning restaurant for India. So say for example I am right now pretty much confident that this is how my website should look like. I will hit save changes. It will save the changes. Right now none of the site is active. If you see, if I go to my templates, there is only one single template, and if I try go to edit it, it is not active. You will see this particular thing button called activate. So once you click on activate, this site will be visible to the world. So if I actually go ahead and check this now, so this was our username which we gave. So this basically the idea behind this is SiteBlaze is that it will give you a kind of a username, and based on that username we are trying to map the websites. So this has to be unique, and this is uniquely stored in the database. So as you will see over here that in the username section also that we have something called as demo, right? So this is the username. So if you want to access say my profile, how does my profile look like, right? You want to check out my website. So SJB is my website basically, which was live, which I had made it live at that point. At some point of time I have not given any images, so that's why you can't see any images, but I had one project there, so that's why you can actually go ahead and see this, right? So that's the entire point over here. So every username who onboards into SiteBlaze will have a unique username, and your active website will be visible at this particular link, that is the SiteBlaze pages.dev/portfolio/demo/username basically. So this is the active portfolio. So I have shown you how to customize this particular website as per your needs. There are a lot of sections over here which you can actually go ahead and customize as per your needs. Footer section also has a lot of things, like for example I want it to be demos only, and there is this copyright section also in this particular area. So I'll show you where have I changed this. This was something which was restaurantly previously, and this was also restaurantly, so we changed both of these to demos right now. So I'm happy with the changes. I'll hit save. I'll go ahead. So this is the previously loaded website, so this will contain this change since we have not refreshed the page. So as soon as somebody refreshes the pages or revisits the page, he or she will see the changes reflecting in real time. The second thing we will talk about is the content management system. So we have this project section and the blog section. We'll try to create one project and one blog, and we'll see whether that actually is getting reflected here or not. We'll add a blog. Say for example I want to call this something, say blog 1. So this is where I uploaded a picture. So if you remember in the templates, if we go ahead and see, there was a section, right? This is for this particular card. You need to have an image, you need to have a title and an abstract. So the image which you uploaded over here, okay, it is gone. I think the image, whatever image you will upload from here, that will be visible over there. So I'll give you a quick demo of that. Block 1, block 1, test. By the way, this is what you see is what you get kind of editor. So whatever you type, you have a lot of functionalities over here. You can make it bold, you can have quotes, H1, H2, normal. You can actually go ahead and insert links, insert video links, insert images as well. Whatever images you will insert, whatever you see right, the formatting which you see right here will appear as it is in the blog. So we'll just quickly, I'm happy with all the changes now. I'll go ahead, let's see how does it look. Okay, not bad. Cool, I am happy with how it looks. So I think I'll just go ahead and hit publish now. Okay, I'll hit publish. Right, we have blog 1. Okay, let's okay. I had mistakenly titled this as blog 1. So what I'll do is I'll edit this. I'll call this project 1. Project 1. Next, save and publish. So you can see there are two options over here. You can either publish or save it as draft. Say for example, you want to save it for some later usage. Say you want to publish it at some certain point of time later on, then you can actually go ahead and hit edit it and hit publish. I'll show you how to do that as well. Say for example, I will add okay, project 2 project to project 2. Right, let us save this as draft. This is saved as draft. Alright, so now we'll create a block. So let us go ahead and upload the image for the block. We'll use this block 1, block 2, no sorry 1 only, block 1. I think I'm done, I'm happy with it, whatever it is. Let's go ahead and publish. Wait for it. It's online now. Alright, let's go and check our demo site. How does it look? Alright, we can see the project. There was only one which we published, so that is on visible here. We can see the blogs as well. Explore more blogs will open this particular blogs dedicated blog section. Again, if we go back and check the explore more project section, it will open the dedicated project section also. From here you can actually go ahead and see your entire project. So this is the title, this is the abstract which you give, and this is the content. So we bolded the content, so it's bold now. Here also same for blog. If you click here, it directly land up onto the page. I will now convert the draft into online. Okay, so we already have this project too. We don't have it online yet, but we'll make it online right now. It was in draft mode, so what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and hit publish. So what it will do is basically it will make the status as online, and now if I just go ahead and hit refresh, I'll be able to see project 2 as well. Go ahead, explore. This is where it is. Note that the image that we upload is only valid for the cart and not for the inside. So for example, if you want any content inside this, you will have to upload the image inside this particular area. So if I do that, say for example, let's upload the logo. So yeah, the logo is uploaded now. Let's go ahead and click next. Click on publish. Okay, you can see the logo is visible. Logo is visible here. There was some issue in loading, I think, the CSS, but yeah, it's working. The last is the CT query section, so we don't have any queries as such, so we will try to generate some query. So this is my email, demo. Hi there, we'll submit the query and let's wait. Okay, submit query is submitted. Let us see. Yes, we can actually go ahead and see this. So we have options of editing the query and deleting the query. Again, same thing for projects also. We can actually go ahead and delete this particular project. It will be deleted, no problem. Same thing for CTA section over here. All the data, anything can be deleted and edited. So for example, say somebody reached you out and wanted to edit and said that was not there actually, or there was some typo, you can actually go ahead and correct the typo. Save. Okay, so this is what the product is. I hope you guys like this particular project. I mean, we also support dark mode, as I said over here. Every single tab supports dark mode, and there are some options over here which you can actually go ahead and explore. And finally, this is the logout section. You can have multiple portfolios. There is a limit of 10 portfolios which you can have, but note that even if you have multiple portfolios, the recent one which you make active will be visible to the world. You can also choose to deactivate this particular thing, and once you do that, we could not load that. This is what you'll get. and you can also delete this particular portfolio. I'll not delete this one as we've created this. I'll activate this again. I'll customize this particular template, and I'll try to delete this one. So I don't want this, I've mistakenly created it, so I just don't want this. I'll just hit on delete. This will be gone. Hope you like the project. I know the website is not complete. There are a lot of bugs maybe here and there. Feel free to reach out. Feel free to raise queries in the GitHub section, and I'll try to maintain this particular project. This is my first ever open source project, and I'm thankful to Appwrite for giving me this particular opportunity. Thank you.